I'm surprised you let me do this. Yeah, you don't like being helped. I'm so glad you didn't bite my face. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Addicted to Life. One Love. I'm Kyle Femister, and this right here, my friends, is my channel. So today has actually been a pretty crazy morning for me psychologically, so I decided I was going to go to one of my happy places back where I was last week and do some meditation. This time I decided to bring out my camera. This is my SL1, my first one. My T6i is Dunsky. Took to the shop and the sensor is gone. It's going to cost way more to replace. So I'm out on the look, but my backup is now my number one. And we'll see what's up. It takes amazing shots, and I decided I'll come out here and see if maybe I can actually get some still frames of an eagle, hawk, or a blue jay. Because last time I was up here, this blue jay would not leave me alone, so I'm sure I'll be able to find him. Been out here a while already, and the wind has been going back and forth pretty good, so I probably am not going to give much audio. Won't talk much. We'll get this out. Well, I haven't found any hawks or eagles or vultures. I did find the blue jay that was making all the racket. Got some cool shots of him. Found some little baby squirrels coming out, but no really flights of any big birds today. Alright, I'm calling it quits. I've been out here for a couple of hours and there are no birds around. I found squirrels, I found rabbits. I didn't get any video of lizards, but there's a bunch running around. It's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. Clouds have been moving across. It's been peaceful and tranquility this whole time. I hope you guys are doing something positive and staying productive this week. Remember, if you can, always help someone smile. We are all stuck here together. Addicted to life. One love. Peace! Say goodbye, kitty. Okay, big jump. Oh. Say bye. I'm surprised you let me do this. Yeah, you don't like being helped. So glad you didn't bite my face. All right. Have a great day. Peace.